Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to be rating a couple of my fidgets. These are all my fidgets. Yeah, there's a lot here. Yeah guys, I promised you that I would be doing a fidget video, so it is rating my fidgets. I just got my nails done yesterday, so I couldn't do it yesterday because I was getting my nails painted. So yeah, let's get started with the first one. I'm going to be rating a poppet first. So poppets are really relaxing. I give these a 10 out of 10. 10 for the next one. Next, I'm going to be rating this squishy, no, it's not a squishy, this Pokeball. It makes this really good sound. Someone just came in, it's my brother, to get his phone, because he just woke up, and it's like 10 o'clock in the morning. So, yeah, I rate this a 8 out of 10, because it makes a really good noise. So, yeah, see when the next one is here. The next thing I'm going to be rating is my mochis. They have got 40 of them inside. These are just like very squishy, and they're pretty relaxing. I rate these a 9 out of 10 because their eyeballs fall off. See when the next ones come. Oh, here to fidget with. Okay, the next one is a snake. So, snakes are really good to fidget with, but I've only got one hand. I give these a 7 out of 10 because they're not really my thing. So yeah, see when the next one comes. And guys, I'm getting marble and mesh at the tomorrow, and so yeah. Next are these magic rings. That's what I think you call them. I rate these a 5 out of 10 because you can't really just like go barely. So yes, see you when the next one comes. Okay guys, the next one is a bike chain. I got this yesterday. No, actually on Friday. After I went home from school. I rate this a 10 out of 10. You can it's really fun to like fidget with. So yeah, see you when the next one is ready to be voted, whatever. Sorry guys, I meant rated. So the next one is a pea popper. Guys, the day that I got this, I broke it. As you can see, it's broken, but yeah. I give these a 3 out of 10 because they always break. Only this one has not broke yet, so I might be rating a couple more, so see you when it's time. Okay, the next one is a pink stress ball. I rate this one maybe a 7 out of 10. It's fun to like stretch and squish. So yeah, I'll be rating a couple more. Actually, one more. Actually, no more. Bye! Thanks for watching.